Hey guys, it's Queenberry. So today we're going to be seeing what people offer for a Mega Kangaroo. This is by far my best pet that I've ever had in my lifetime. So let's just see what people offer for it. I got into a pretty good server, if I have to say so myself. I'm gonna trade the person with the Mega Arctic Ranger to see if I can get it. Okay, I'll offer this, that, this, and that. Just no. Oh. It's kind of obvious they were gonna do that. It's not really, whatever. So let's just see what people offer. Try to make Kangaroo. Let's just see what people offer. I want to get a Mega Turtle, and I would add for it, but yeah, I can't find any Mega Turtles for some reason. Like I was making my Mega. You don't even need to see that. That's okay. So I just said trading Mega Kangaroo. So let's just see if I get any trades. Do I have my trades on? Yes, I do. Yeah, I have my trades on. I get why anyone isn't trading me. Whatever. There's two Mega Kingies. Oh, Princessy 005 is offering me a Mega Kingie and a Neon Horse. I'm sorry, this is nah, it's almost fair, but it's just, these are the game, and those are always going to be in the game, so I'm going to have to decline, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what Mo Tata, yeah, offers a Neon Dodo, 2 fossil eggs, and a, Pterodactyl. No thanks, what does Bisco Girl X24 have to offer? A Mega Cow. I feel like that's not really fair because you can't even get a Mega Unicorn with a Mega Cow. So I'm sorry. Jeremy Hall 98. Let's see what he offers for a Mega Kangaroo. Doesn't look like he's putting. Oh, that Kangaroo. Another Kangaroo and a King B. Sorry, that's sort of good stuff. It's a pretty good offer, like, I'm gonna just decline because I feel like it's smaller. Just I'll just trade them. I traded them so I could see what they would add after. Oh, there's another one over here. And Neon Frost Dragon. That's actually under because I traded a Neon Frost Dragon in a Neon Golden Penguin. Oh wow. A Neon Golden Penguin. That was a scam record on camera. The scam record on camera. That. We'll have another Kangaroo after. I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna decline that. No, thank you. Trading Mega Kangaroo. Trade me. It's a Mega Kangaroo. 46 actually useless. Let's see what they offer. I think I've traded this guy before. I don't know. Oh, no thank you. It's a good offer. Let's see what else people offer. I can't believe my last video was trading a Neon Turtle. And now, Where's my mouse? Oh, it's there. Probably, you guys probably saw it the whole time, but no. So I'm gonna trade this girl and see what she adds with her new for this girl. Okay, let's put in the Mega Kangaroo. See what she offers for it. Turtle. No, if you added 4 neon turtles, then probably, but sorry, no. Okay. Named a boss because I had on my first account that I ever had. I had a chick, you know, the chicks that you got at Easter. I named mine, boss, and it had that exact hat, so I wanted to name it this, because I got this today. I said add. Bruh! Add! Oh, what? What? No. She got a neon. Sorry, I'm just shocked right now. Okay, whatever, balls. What? What? Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. And my dad just asked me if I wanted to have fun. I said I did. And just went downstairs for me, so yeah. I'm probably gonna end it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Remember my dream to hit 100 subscribers, but yeah. Bye!